Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys doing? So today's video is an Ajio haul. So today's haul contains some tops, t-shirts and a pair of jeans. So everything I'm mentioning in this video is under rupees 250. Just that one jeans is a little higher, so please stand by that. Other than that, let's just get started with the video because it's an amazing haul. First top that I'm going to show you is this top. It's like an off-shoulder top. It's a little confusing. I'll also insert a picture somewhere here. So I'll show you what it actually looked on the model and how the Ajio app showed it. But yeah, this is how it looks. Since it has like these tie-up sleeve detailing, you can style it in so many different ways. It was not given on the website, but I figured it out by myself. So I'm gonna insert a separate video, like a try on. So you can see there how I've styled it, in how many ways you can style it. In, out, everything. There is an elasticated band kind of stuff going on the neck, and there is tie-up detailing here and also here, and there is a huge gap between them. So this is something. And the top I showed you is from the brand Ajio itself, and I am in the size small, and the material is really soft. Talking about the price, the MRP of this on the website was rupees 799 and I got it for rupees 201. That is 201. Overall, I'll give it a thumbs up. And if I had to rate this, I would rate it 7 out of 10. So yeah. So the next top for this haul is this blue ribbed top. It's a beautiful color. It's very different from what I usually wear, and it also has a tie-up detailing, which is really trending these days. I don't know these days, but there was a trend for this, I think a while back. So yeah, it's kind of a crop top. Honestly, not a crop top, but comparatively shorter than the other ones that I bought. It's a nice top, very soft material. It's ribbed, so it has got lines all over. And this is also from the brand Ajio, and I am in the size small. It retailed for rupees 299 and I got it for rupees 205. So this top is a must if you're looking for some vibrant, trendy top. Just go for it. It's really affordable, and yeah, I would give it a thumbs up, definitely. I don't think there's any item in this haul that I would give a thumbs down, because everything I ordered fits me so good and is of such a good quality. If I had to rate this, I think it would be like an 8 out of 10. So the next item for this haul is a t-shirt, and it is this white t-shirt. And this is also a trend. If you don't remember, this pattern was a trend. Like, I don't like it personally too much. Like, it's fine, but it was a trend, and I think it's still a trend. Like, it's just a single line, but I think it's like a trend in satin silky kind of tops, which, yeah, I think you get it. I think this is the least favorite of mine out of everything I bought. So there are some embellishments right here, which are red, of course, you can see, but I don't like it as much. And there is like a holographic effect on the print, but I don't like it. As I said, it's white, it's plain. The fitting is good. It's not that I don't like the fitting, but I don't like how it looks, like the print and all. So yeah, and this is from the brand Ajio, and again, I'm in the size small. It retailed for rupees 799, which is comparatively higher than the other of my tops and t-shirts, and I got it for rupees 201. I will give it a thumbs up because there's nothing wrong with it, but if I had to rate it, I would rate it like 5.5 or 6 out of 10. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you like it. Okay, so done. Next item is also a t-shirt, and it is this pink t-shirt, and I think it's quite popular because I've seen it in multiple hauls, thumbnails, so I don't know, but yeah, it's like, it says good, better, best. Duh. So yeah, it says that it's good. The material is definitely super soft, and the color is so good. Not very bright pink. Like, I had a very bright pink, I bought it in my other haul, so please go check out my first haul. This is the part 2. I've also done a part 1. So, but this one is a more subtle pink. This top is from the brand Team Spirit, and I am in the size small. The MRP of this was rupees 399 and I got it for rupees 210. So if I had to rate it, I would rate it like 7.5 out of 10. So the next t-shirt we have is this, and the website says it's basically a typographic crew neck t-shirt, and it's this beautiful pastel color, blue pastel color, and I really like the color. It's good. I overall like the t-shirt also. And the lazy summer days, the typographic print that we have is in yellow, and the t-shirt in itself is pastel blue, and I really like that. It's a good t-shirt. Like, it's a very like, both of the t-shirts that I've shown you are casual, good material, and yeah, like, they're very common. I cannot say something very featuring about it or something very amazing about it, because these are mere t-shirts. So this is from the brand DNMX, and I'm in the size small. This also retailed for rupees 799, and I got it for rupees 201, and I would give this 7 out of 10. The next item is the only pair of jeans that I bought, and this is this white one. I hope you can see it, and it's a good jeans, to be honest. It's high waist and white, of course, and it has a rib detailing at the bottom. The fitting is so nice, believe me, but the only a little bit, like, जो चीज़ मुझे थोड़ी सी इसमें ठीक नहीं लगी वो ये था that it's a bit tight इधर से, like at the end इधर थोड़ा सा tight है, but I think I will, you know, make it out because वो थोड़ा सा loose हो जाएगा पहनते पहनते. But apart from that, the fitting is superb. Talking about what it has is an embellishment here, which I definitely don't like, but ठीक है, and it's high waist, you know, and it's high waist. I love it. I don't have any white jeans with me, so I bought this because I think white goes with a lot of tops and t-shirts, so I really needed that. Originally it was priced at rupees 1999, yeah, and I got it for rupees 657. I think it's a deal. Rupees 657 for a jeans is good. Or I think for the rating, I will give this like a 9 out of 10. So yeah, it's not necessary to say yeah all the time. Second last item of this haul is this top which I'm wearing. It's absolutely stunning. I really loved it. I really like it. I really like the neck detailing. It's like a turtleneck top, striped, very dark blue. It's navy blue. I don't know how it's looking in the camera because I've used a ring light today, so maybe it's a little light, but it's navy blue, and it has white stripes all over. The sizing, everything is so perfect. This is from the brand Team Spirit, and this is also in the size small. This is pretty reasonable because it retails for rupees 399 and I got it for rupees 205. Yeah, I'm proud of myself. So I really like this top. I would give like 2, 3, 4 thumbs up because it's a perfect style. It's so much in trend. Rating, I will give it like 9 or 9.5. I really like this. And the material of this is super soft. Guys, every item that I'm showing you in this haul is like super good material. The next and the final top of this video, which is my ultimate favorite one because ye trending, perfect color, the perfect neckline, the perfect sleeves, and everything just perfect. So it's basically a perfect top, and it is this beautiful, what do you call it, like olive green, military green, not a military one, olive green. So this is an olive green top which has like a square, not exactly square, but it is kind of square, and amazing neckline. I really like it. Balloon sleeves, shorts balloon sleeves, and you know it looks so pretty when you wear it. Like usually my style is not super pretty, but I really like this one. In fact, I love this one. Very sweet, you know, very cute kind of top जो मैं usually पहनती नहीं हूँ, but मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया, and I would give like thumbs up, and I love it. So if you're looking for something like this, go for this. You know, those t-shirt costed me like 205, but this costed me rupees 188. Go buy it for yourself. To be honest, it's a little loose, so I'm gonna exchange it with a size smaller. Like this is in the size small, and I'm gonna get XS in the exchange. And even if it's small in the XS, it looks stylish. It really does. So I'm really excited to wear this out. And for the brand, this is from Fig. And for the rating, 10 out of 10 for this top. I really love it. And for the price, definitely 10 out of 10. In fact, 12 out of 10. So guys, this is it for the video. I really enjoyed this haul, and my favorite was the olive green one. Which one was your favorite? Comment down in the comment section below, and I will put all the links in the description box. And till then, please do subscribe, like this video if you liked it, and comment in the comment section how you liked it or what is the item that you liked the most. Also, do not forget to look out for my Instagram. I'll put the ID in the description box as well as at the end. So please also do check out my Instagram and also follow me there if you like my content. Just started and I'm trying to figure out how to, build an Instagram profile and how I want my Instagram profile to look. But still, I'll be posting some pictures and some videos. So if you want to see them, please go follow me on Instagram.